2026 might finally be the year when Apple go all screen for good and fans are already losing their minds over the latest leak. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech news. A well-known tipster, Smart Pikachu, claims Apple is actively testing under-display camera tech for its 2026's iPhone 18. That means the dream of a clean, uninterrupted, all-screen iPhone may finally come true. The rumor has been around for years, but this time it is louder and backed by multiple sources who say Apple is also exploring under-display Face ID. If that's true, the iPhone 18 could be the most dramatic design leap since the iPhone X. Of course, Apple wouldn't be the first to try hiding the selfie camera under the display. Samsung experimented with it back in 2021 on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but the results were, well, not great. The camera quality was soft and Samsung quietly backed away from the idea. AMD, now all its 2025 phones, including the Z Fold 7, have gone back to traditional punch-hole cameras. But Apple has a history of taking risks and turning them into game-changing features. Touch ID and Face ID were both done better by Apple than anyone else at the time, and with the company inching closer to its long-teased all-screen iPhone, the timing just makes sense. Want to hear another twist? Rumors say Apple may change the entire iPhone release schedule in 2026. The iPhone 18 Pro models could arrive in September as usual, while the standard iPhone 18 may not land until March, giving Apple even more room to perfect its new camera tech. Now, whenever the iPhone 18 lineup drops, all eyes will be on whether Apple finally makes the camera vanish into thin air or not. Do you think Apple can perfect this feature? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.